Today I recorded a statement about incitement, about cat rustling, about conflict in the neighboring counties. The CCIO Samburu County read so many incidences of insecurity, recent incidences of insecurity in Samburu County, which I'm not aware. As a leader, I've had information, and I've also shared information with the Ministry of Interior, that is the CS, in charge of Interior. I've also shared with the Regional County Commissioner, Natembea. That is the level of information I have. I don't have any information. Unfortunately, the government has not recovered any livestock, even after reporting. There were animals that were stolen in Doto. We requested the government to recover the livestock. Up to date, they have not recovered. What they should have done is to maybe also inquire from the Ministry of Interior, from the county commissioners and the DCCs and chiefs, because I'm not the person to be asked whether security is in Samburu or why people when people are fighting. I'm told to record a statement why people are fighting. Government to ask why Samburu is insecure, why people are losing property, why people are losing lives, and it's not me. I will only provide information that there is an incident, and I've been writing to the Ministry of Interior, I've been writing to the Regional Commissioner, I've been writing to CCO, I've been writing to the County Commissioner about the incidences, which unfortunately the government is not willing to settle conflict in Samburu County. And they want to blame us leaders on that conflict.